this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your audio not working in Premiere Pro. So if you're trying to play back your footage and you can't hear any audio, then there's basically two different methods to go and fix this. Now, the first solution is just to click on this navigation bar in the bottom window, and you need to select Reveal Sequence in Project. Now, once you've pressed this, you can then try playing back your video and checking to see if you can hear audio. If it's still not working, then we can come over to Edit in the top navigation, click on Preferences, and then select Audio Hardware. Now, for the default input, make sure you have your correct input mode selected. If it's not working, then you can press No Input in this window and go and press Yes. You also need to make sure you have the correct output selected. So this is where you want the sound to be playing out from. So I'm going to select my laptop speakers, but you could also select your headphones, and then you can press OK in the bottom navigation and check to see if that solved your issue. Now, like I said, if it's still not working, then just change the default input to no input at the top, and that should go ahead and fix any audio issues. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.